All right, welcome back to my daily listing blog. I am in the middle of cooking supper, as you can see behind me. When I'm waiting for things to cook, I usually take a few moments to catch opportunity to clean a few shoes, which I am cleaning here. I cleaned a couple pair of shoes here, but I want to talk about these Merrells that I found. They look really great. Got them cleaned up. There wasn't much there. And on the inside, it looked like there was a little bit of hair or something on there. And I thought I could just use a little bit of packing tape. But let me just go ahead and say, note to self, when there's pet hair on these things, it is a pain to come out. And so unless y'all have a tip on how to get this pet hair off, tape is not cutting it. And I'm fixing to just donate these things because it's just not worth the time and effort to try to get all that out, because it's just not on the insole, but also on the inside part of the shoe as well. And so it's all up in there, and just I'm not feeling it today, but I just want to check in with you, show you what I'm doing. I've got a few items here I'm fixing to show you for what I've listed. All right, now that I've got a few pairs of shoes cleaned while I was putting supper together, put together some listings earlier today, and I wanted to share those. Actually, the first listing that I have, I've already shipped out the shoes. They were a pair of actually, these right here, they were some green and like yellow and orange Birkenstocks. They were starting to come apart at the I guess the seams where the straps come together. But I put them out there, and that was a quick flip. Those came from Goodwill. I think I paid $2 for them because they were sandal slides, and sold them for, I think I listed them for 20, took an offer for 15. It was a quick offer, a quick flip, and it was a great, I guess, sell, and a great little bit of profit to get those. Next pair, I know that I've listed a couple of these already. These are some Clark sandals here, and these Clark sandals, picked those up at Goodwill as well. I got these listed as well as my second listing for day 3, and so got those out there. I think $6 for these. Another pair I picked up from Goodwill are these Adidas. I guess these are like baseball shoes, baseball cleats. Or actually not quite cleats, because they do have some traction and tread on the bottom, more like an indoor type of cleat. But I think these are more like a training shoe. But I picked these up at Goodwill for $6 and should get about $35 or so for them. But that was my third listing of the day. Now, this last listing of the day is an interesting one. These are a pair of Nike Jordan Air Jordan 1s, and these ones right here are a pair of women's that are size, I think they are size 8.5. However, that's what we thought when we actually picked them up. We bought them at a consignment sale. We thought they were 8.5s, but actually, after wearing them for a day, we realized that there's actually 2 sizes. This one is an 8.5, and this one right here is a 7. And so clearly we can't actually wear those, and they're kind of uncomfortable. So trying to figure out, can you sell them? So we do know that if you go check out eBay for mismatched sizes, you'll actually find the shoes do sell. And so got these listed on there as a mismatched size, a pair of Jordans. We'll see what comes from it. Clearly, I don't think I can get full price for them. They're almost new. They've only been worn once or twice, but this one's the 4th listing that I did today, and we'll see what happens if we can actually sell 2 different size shoes. Well, that's my 4 listings for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe so you can see my other videos as you see me powering through my unlisted items over the next several days that I have. I've got, I believe, like 12 days less. This is day 3, trying to make it to day 15. We'll catch you in the next video.